After the aggressive 75 basis points hike in interest rates by the United States Federal Reserve, other central banks around the globe also hiked their key lending rates, sending jitters across the markets. Rate hike by the central banks to control inflation has also fed to growing fears of an imminent recession. In Asia, the Hong Kong Central Bank raised its base rate by 75 basis points to 3.5%, taking the key lending rates to 14-year highs. The commercial banks in Hong Kong quickly reacted to this move. Lenders like HSBC and the Standard Chartered raised interest rates, making borrowing expensive for locals and businesses. HSBC raised its best lending rate by 12.5 basis points, while new base rate at Standard Chartered swelled to 5.375%. A few Europe's central banks also followed the US rate hike. UK's Bank of England, Switzerland and Norway raised the interest rates. Bank of England increased rates by 50 basis points to 2.25%, the seventh time in a row, as it warned that the UK's economy has already slipped into recession. Switzerland, for the first time in 7.5 years, has come out of negative rates zone with a hike of 75 basis points. Norway's central bank raised its benchmark interest rate by a widely anticipated 50 basis points to 2.25% and said the future hikes will be more gradual. In the currency markets, the US dollar sees another strong movement against other currencies. Indian rupee once again touched its record low against the dollar in afternoon trade. After opening above 80 per dollar, the Indian currency fell to its all-time low to 80.95 against the US currency and ended the day with a loss of 90 paise to close at 80.86 per dollar. The Fed actions started taking toll on Japanese yen in early trade on Thursday until Japanese government intervened. The yen pulled back 2.3% after it breached the crucial 146 yen per dollar mark. The British pound plunged to a record 37-year low as well. It has lost more than 15% of its value against the dollar this year, compared to a 12% decline in the euro. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.